Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to keyframe in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Then add your project to the timeline. Now select the video you imported. After selecting, you will see some icons which look like a diamond or a square. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the timeline with a playhead, the red vertical line. Move the playhead to the point where you want to add a keyframe. A keyframe will be added at the point on the timeline. You can now move the playhead to another point on the timeline. Adjust the properties of your media and then tap the keyframe icon again to add another keyframe with the new properties. To preview your animation, simply play the timeline. Now you have successfully used keyframe in CapCut.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.